attention TV so me bia kwa ba eba so ebusia subscribe YouTube follow Facebook like comment and share both sides we are my notification bar so efa emame ena sama betodwa ene abawe bia efeni lender Osei name say on so our TikTok will be not just say no so editing na phone na any na we ana sembi aba bontia wechi matches so can be no e kam yakoye say nipa bi nimu edi ne mba ni na ana frafra chese wo ye na wan ye nko a wode ne mba ni na ana e ka ho na we ana aba bontia besu dachaga na for say e kam yakoye say sanete na so say anka sanete anka we ye obi de anka ne hu krankra say oye ya ne mba anaso de ne bakra ebe follow mu na we ana bai we bi suko hu video ya ono so wo chire say na dafo ene lender Osei ono so edin sembi abeto abontia edi fa lender Osei nso a ono so ababontia wo chire say e ka be akoye say gada for ba hye so nanso wode ne mba ni na account
one video be of sister Linda of TikTok olusuna olokesi obi nti so me come for me nam social media no da me hwe do okodo because during daytime na ya na me busy kakra we adwuma mi ti me be fie dam na me hwe nyama okodo ena me hu da sister Linda otina social media no do no olusu sister Linda olokesi there obi di ne mma obi abaka ne mba wana asam or something like that nti olokesi nyimpa na wa abaka ne mba no wana asam no na sister Linda some kakra me pede me kamede chiro yin de wiase wiase if say enye intum mama Canada intum spell ya sister Linda man chiro enti no obi bo anwum osi intum spell ya man chiro untumi spell ya man chiro wano a untumi spell ya man chiro wano ihwe na si intum spell ya sister man chiro etina wanna say you are cursing someone simply because yimpa na abaka won asam because akwaka na ya asam and someone is dragging your kids in it na sister Linda esenka obia ne bana asam da esenka obia ne bana asam do sister usunu elusunu na all you are banging on in there obi abaka won asam na wo enka obia ne mba na asam da sister wiase mu hia na ye wo wiase mu hwana na wo pen wo dine fi duem wo dine bay Auntie Linda yimpa bay na wo asase do wo pen wo dine fi duem ana wo pen fi mbobam ana wo yi ni fi nsum ti de nam wo dine bay yimpa na wo esola enam social media no do ina kan krofo won asam Efan as if they like joke, like play be. You make fun of people. I can't crawl for one asam. You tease people. Makeda some time ago. Any if was nigga some about number one party you say bibi damno. You essay if Yeshua no man where you full anifo. Sister, even one can one in some crampona it make it as if there or you joke, you know. One mammy and one year been one ba. Are they not other people's family? When ye ebinum wamba na sister Linda. In one day can one in samano. I mean I'm not made the member attack with James me share me opinion with the more cases snell case no. Sister in one day can one in some if we are say on maybe so that sister Linda and ya bofra mammy pain. Into one case since ebe we are say one na yimpa ben e wunda wa pen wasn't if you dream da. Since I want to say, baby, as a sister, you pop ben and there walk catching one soon, watching what become what's an abba. You pop ben as since a baby, I say, and when the walk or poom, no way can you what's an abba or lua quaba. Auntie Linda Osei of TikTok. Sister, you pop bay in there, wa papa mubum, or be pen mubum nana in perfume, waba. Sister Linda, you pay na you wanna tease one was social media no do na you wanna make fun of them ni na we na we ebinum womba. You want so ebinum na wo one. It is awo obi abaka wo ba na asam na esa asam na obi abaka wo ba na asam nto oyo until curse obi sister wo curse na onko baby alo onko baby ala. If you know there you cannot stand the heat now, don't start the fire in the first place. If saying to me start heat, sister, don't start any fire in the first place. I will bet on social media and then make fun of people. You are a chade one tease one when you been one ba. If you're sure and manas way full and for yen pa. If you're sure as in man way a day, you know, on if you're sure no yan ma. So no so ma na sister. One so way ma if you're number. It's our and pedo obi bakawasama. I will know obi bakawasama na edri jom na abata social media no do na elusu. Obi bakawasama na abata social media no do na elusu. Na we yin person obi sister. I will na woman no we yin person obi. Sister Linda, I will na woman we yin person e bi no ma na there. What are you trying to tell us? Social media yeah badri edin dama joke. You're not even funny anymore, sister. Because since you know, I don't know the way you used to be, the way you know, since you turn I don't know into there, you want to be teasing people. But before no sooner it was comedy. Since you know today teasing, and I show like come crofon want some, in one day come want some nayas na and can some no nayas or no you be the ba. Nayas never no say nayas no the piano play victim nayas nayas or you be the ba. No mami want today the way I was say me. Sister Linda. Nayas no na maami anwon today the way I also ewu umbe ya na sister Auntie Linda man to at a glass house don't throw stone and pedo obi baka wan sama sister man ba maka ebi no won nsam because social media na ebado no ebado because ekeka nkrofo won sam after day joke after day like play you tease people, you make fun of people. Set my mekano, I shall that from there like play, like joke. In a teasing crofo, in a make fun of crofo, in a pulling crofo on the legs, as if there can be more sister. No, do you consider their feelings? And when they make fun of them, no, do you consider their feelings? Do you think about it there? Merely and or hurt one another or hurt one. Have you ever thought of that? Sister, the man and wife for why you da. In one they make fun of them, no. In one they pull one legs, no. In one they also let zids one grow, no. Sister, have you thought of what it does to them emotionally? Have you thought of what it does to them? In one way you been wamba. In one way you been wamba, sister. Linda. In one way you been wamba, once way you been wamba. In one they make fun of them, no. So once who home me, do you know how their parents also feel? In one so that let's throw one. In one so like can want some no. Do you know how their parents also feel?
I would say I buy when somebody have to jar. Nina Edifa Linda or stay abonti and what about them. A cabia quite second of 4 being more atu na omano Eddie Guno so na mano to goodness and yon be echo card ma and also no the original TikTok ama by way so about bonti on them about 12 number 0548302985 Nina University Foundation. Frnd now no a trio como ever janka one only be a mobrowa and you who's me that said that which attention TV.